Setting up a tent, a step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to learn about a very useful phrase, set up a tent. Whether you're planning to go camping or just want to understand this common English expression, this video will guide you through what it means and how to use it in conversation. Set up is a phrasal verb that means to assemble or put something together. When we add a tent to this phrase, we're talking about the process of assembling a tent from its parts and making it ready for use. It's a phrase often associated with camping and outdoor activities. When someone says they need to set up a tent, they usually follow these steps. 1. Choose the right spot. It should be flat, dry, and free of sharp objects. 2. Lay out the tent. Spread the tent on the ground. 3. Assemble the poles. Connect the tent poles together. 4. Secure the tent. Insert the poles into the designated slots on the tent and raise it. 5. Anchor the tent. Use stakes to secure the tent to the ground. 6. Add the rainfly. If there is a rainfly, place it over the tent for protection from rain. You can use set up a tent in various situations. Inviting someone to camp. Do you want to come camping with us? We'll teach you how to set up a tent. Giving instructions. First, we need to set up the tents before it gets dark. Sharing experiences. I set up my first tent last summer, and it was easier than I thought. I hope this video helps you understand how to use the phrase, set up a tent in English. It's a handy phrase to know, especially if you love the great outdoors. So next time you go camping, you'll be ready to set up your tent like a pro. Happy camping, and see you in our next video.